I'm going to quickly show you a couple potential solutions to fix this specific error when trying to browse online. For the first method, open up CMD as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns. Then ipconfig/release. And finally, ipconfig/renew. Doing this removes outdated address information that can prevent websites from loading. See if that fixed the issue. For the second method, right-click the Windows icon and click on Network Connections. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset. Reset now. Then restart your PC and see if that worked. For the final method, right-click the Windows icon and click on Network Connections again. Then click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on what you're using. I'm going to click on Ethernet since that's what I'm using. Then next to DNS server assignment, click on Edit. Change this to manual. Turn on IPv4. Then under Preferred DNS, type 4/8 with dots in between them. Under Alternate DNS, type 8844 with dots in between them, and click on Save. See if that worked for you. If not, try these DNS values as well.